Hello, welcome back. So I have another video for you guys today. Today's video is a little bit different and I have two VIPs who are going to show up in a moment. But today's video is we're going to make some handprints. Years ago, in 2015, this was made for me with my grandkid's name on it. And their mom was pregnant for Gabriel at the time. So we do not have a Gabriel handprint. So that's what we're going to make today. So here are our VIPs. Julian, Gabriel, and what we need in today's video. We need flour. We need
salt.
Surprised you can hold that up.
And we need a rolling pin. We need water.
Whatever this is.
That is a measuring cup for our flour. I have the oven already warming up. Well, it is already warmed up. 300 degrees. Because we are going to cook these hands for 20 to 25 minutes.
We need a bowl.
We do need a bowl.
You have to cook the hands?
Well, yeah. How do you think we get the imprint?
I don't
Oh,
know.
you're talking about our hands? Oh.
These guys don't know how to make handprints, you guys.
I was going to say.
All right, so the first ingredient. We need 2 cups of flour. So I will, who wants to hold the cup?
Me.
You might want to turn it around so you can see the 2 and tell me when to stop. Try to hold it as flat as possible. And I mean, we're not like trying to make a cake, so.
Into a bowl.
That's a little too much.
Yeah, we're not trying to make a cake, so who's, it's
Pour
perfectly, pour that puppy in. All right.
Again?
2 cups of flour.
Salt.
Papa can
1 cup of salt.
I got this.
All right, go ahead. Let him hold it. You keep an eye on. Face it towards your brother,
Yeah, my hair's all
so he can tell. All right, 1. We need 1. So make sure you hold it nice and flat. It's gonna start getting heavy.
I can't even see the one.
It's not filling up yet.
What do you smell here? Salt?
It's a darn good thing we're not eating these bad boys.
I wish I had cake.
That's
Stop.
Oh, okay. 1
That's
cup.
perfect.
1 cup of salt.
Bump it.
Yep. You know what? I should probably look at the
That looks like
recipe.
snow.
Okay, hold on.
I'm gonna eat some snow.
You guys.
What?
It's perfect.
I farted.
Oh my goodness.
I farted.
No. Okay, easy. Mind your manners on the video. Okay, 1 cup of water.
I'm doing this time. We each take turns. Actually, no, Grandma does it.
That's okay. You guys can.
I want to drink some water.
Stop. Actually,
We both
I'm
do
doing
it.
Easy,
We
careful.
both.
All right. Excuse you. She gets her manners from Gabriel.
Do we have to mix it with our hands? Please don't tell me.
Oh, I'm not mixing it with my hands.
I'll do it. We both do it.
All right. Yep, that is for you.
Do it right now?
Yep, but just don't don't get sloppy and get it all over the floor. But the best part is mixing it with your hands. I will get some warm soapy water.
Oh my god.
Oh, this is nasty.
Ew, it's so
So like squish it between your fingers because you got to mix it all together. I'll get some hot soapy
this?
water. Yes.
It's nasty.
Wait, actually, they made a handprint. They made a handprint.
Yeah, look it up. Yeah, it's like making handprints, Grandma.
I do not want to burn my hand.
You won't burn. Ooh, it's looking great. Keep squeezing it.
It's all
Mixing
on my
it all-
fingers.
yeah.
Can we lick it off after? Or
Oh,
no?
ew. I'm not licking that off.
I am.
It'll taste like salt.
Okay, yeah, definitely not. I hate salt.
No.
I love salt.
Just keep squeezing it together like you're going to make a crust.
Oh.
That's all right. You're doing fine. We'll get it.
It's not on the floor.
Yep. Don't let it get on the floor. 'Cause
Ah,
I'm
it
pretty
feels
sure,
so weird.
pretty sure it's not healthy for Lagatha to eat.
Yeah,
I bet
it's
it is.
nasty. Look at my hands. Like, seriously? Grandma?
Julian, you're doing all the work.
Yeah, I am.
Bro, you need
1 hour later.
What'd you say? Get all the way down at the bottom. I'll hold the bowl still. Squeeze. Oh, you're doing a wonderful job.
Come off the sides.
And you'll know when it starts to come off your...
snow.
It kind of does. When it starts to come off your hands is when it's almost mixed.
I
Remember
know.
earlier it was sticking to your hands like crazy?
Yeah, look, now it's falling.
Now it's falling off. All right, so grab the dough and flip it upside down
What?
in your hands. Grab the dough and flip it so that we can get to the very, very bottom.
Hey.
There you go. Keep grabbing it and flipping it around because there might be some dough, flour, and salt underneath there. That,
Yep. Right
yeah,
there.
you found it?
After
pushing
this,
it
I'll be
down.
washing our hands.
Yeah, and we have to.
Is it salty? Yeah.
You're nasty.
I would rather,
Well, I mean, there's
I
nothing
would
that you
rather
can't...
smell my toes.
That's weird.
I think I'm done.
No.
All right, go ahead and pick
it's-
all
it's
that
still,
off.
It's still on the.
All right, well,
Did you get warm water on?
there is warm water.
Where?
Are you gagging? It's like it doesn't feel that bad, Gabriel. Okay, so there's warm water in the sink. You can
Alright.
go ahead and wipe your hands off.
I'm taking
Grab that towel and take it with you. And Grandma's just gonna
Where is it?
grab that towel and take it with you, Gabe.
Grandma, do I put my hands in the water that time?
Yeah, yep.
Oh.
And I'm just gonna make
Luigi boy.
and I'm just gonna make sure this is all mixed up.
Grandma, it's disgusting. Grandma, it smells good in here.
I love that.
Burning. I would rather smell my own toe.
All right, so the boys are cleaning their hands off, and Grandma's gonna shape this into a loaf,
Can I roll it?
and then we're gonna cut it,
I'm gonna roll it.
Oh, we're gonna cut it?
and then we are gonna roll it flat,
I'm rolling it.
and each person will have their own little slice to roll, so we should have plenty. One for Grandma, Gabriel's hand, a new hand for Julian, a hand for Dad, quite possibly hand for Mom. We'll see. We'll see how we might
For
get...
Mom? For my mom?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Can I call her? Or, oh no, we're doing the video.
So I have formed it into a loaf, and I'm going to grab a butter knife so we can put our slices in it, and then we will roll it. All right, so we're just going to cut a little chunk here, roll it out, and see if it's like way more than we need for Gabriel's handprint. So let's move this one off to the side. I'm going to actually stick it back in the bowl.
That's way smaller than my hand.
And we are going to, I'm just going to show them how to roll it out.
I don't. No, I rolled Play-Doh out.
So, okay, so you know you start in the middle and you go
Yeah.
away and then you come back?
Yeah.
All right, here you go. This will be for your handprint. Doing great.
I do this with Play-Doh all the time.
Well, you're doing wonderful. Get that spot there. Now you gotta go sideways. So it goes that way. Oopsies. That's okay.
Magic.
Let's not make it so long because your handle fit.
short.
Yeah. So
Like,
yeah. So let's make it into a circle a little bit more. And then you can flatten it again.
let's not pause.
Looks great.
Is this good enough?
Let's hold your hand over it without pushing down on it.
Like right here?
Yeah, so what we need to do is just keep, because we need a circle. So we've decided that a circle is not necessary. As long as the handprint fits on it, and Grandma's just gonna smooth it down a little. All right, so we're just gonna leave it just like this in this oval shape, because I actually like the fact that Gabriel's hand will be on an oval instead of a round or the wood plaque. So Gabriel, if you would like, we're gonna go ahead and press your hand into it, but being careful not to press it all the way through onto the island, okay?
Okay.
So when you put it on, don't, squish it down real hard. Just, you know what to do. Make it look kind of like that. Make sure you get your, and then just do a little imprint. Do you feel it squishing?
Yeah.
So you think we got it?
Yeah.
Let's look. Oh my gosh, we do.
Perfect.
So what we're gonna do is we have to cook it, and then we're gonna paint it.
Wait, can I paint
You want to
it?
look at it real quick?
That's perfect. Okay.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna stick it in. Well, Julian's gonna make his, but we're gonna put this on a cookie sheet, and we're gonna bake them, and then each boy will be able to pick whatever color they want and paint the handprint their color. So I'm gonna put you guys on pause again, and with a spatula, I'm gonna pick this up. You know what? Let me just hold on. So let's see how easy it scrapes up. I can't find my spatula. Oh, I should have floured it. All right, so for Julian's hand, we are gonna flour. Oh gosh, let's put you on pause. You guys, so tip, flour your area. I don't know what I was thinking, but I finally got it off, and I did not ruin it. So let's get Julian's ready. Julian's turn. He's gonna go ahead and cut a chunk. Make sure you put the whole knife. So you make sure your knife is, there you go. You want to make sure you get the whole thing. Perfect. All right, so now what we're going to do, because we learned our lesson.
Flour. Like right there.
Flour the surface.
Oh.
And then we're going to roll this out. Do you want to roll it?
Mm-hmm.
We'll try to keep it in a circle-ish, oval type design.
So like.
You're doing, that's perfect. Yeah, just keep going. And let's see if we can flip it. Let's see if we can flip it so we know it doesn't stick. There, now roll that fat. See where it's thicker? There you go. And then, yeah, towards you.
Then towards the
Camera.
then towards down.
Yeah. That way you keep it a nice little shape.
I think that's good. Because it kind of looks.
All right, let's flip it over again.
How, like just.
Yep, it should be just fine to flip over one more time.
Oh, okay. Put that over there.
And use your hand to swish that flour around. Let's do it like this. Go ahead. No, you don't have to apologize. There you go. And now put this back down on that surface. And let's just bring this down a little bit so that
it's a really big handprint.
Well, you've got a larger hand than you used to there, buddy.
Yeah, that's true.
Do you think it'll fit without pressing it all the way down? Just hold it over and adjust where you like. Bring your thumb in, bring that pinky in, and then press, but don't press too hard to where it's gonna, like go all the way through to the, and then use your other hand like I did with Gabe's and just press your imprint in. Grandma, you broke my finger! Just kidding, I did not, you guys.
Yeah, no. Definitely.
And then, like, squish that hand down. Let's see what it looks like. All right, let's see if we can get this handprint. See where it's light?
Okay.
Put your hand exactly in the same spot. And, bless you, buddy. Press down where, like, your hand. Get a nice little imprint in there. Ooh, let's see now. Oh, perfect.
My hand's huge.
That is beautiful. And because, will you grab the...
Oh, we're cooking both of ours at the same time?
Oh, yeah, totally.
Then mine's going to be way easier.
This should pull right up, just like that, when you flour the surface. And you don't distort the handprint.
Jeez, mine's way bigger than Gabe's.
Oh, Gabe's a little... Well, Gabe is so much younger than you. All right, so we're going to put these in the oven. And you guys, I'm going to set the timer for 20 minutes. 25 minutes on 300 degrees. We'll be back. Oh, no, wait. I forgot. Super important. Hold on. Straw. Super important. If you're going to hang this up or make it an ornament, you need to poke a hole in it before you cook it. Use your straw to poke a hole.
Yeah, right there.
I'm not going to hang them up. They are going to be on my desk, but I may at some point in time want to hang them up. So, there we go.
Oh, and make sure.
Oop,
And make sure a grown-up is doing this with you.
yes, kids, young kids, old kids like me, make sure you're an adult present.
You're not a kid.
What?
Yes, she is. She's 30.
No, she's not.
Yeah, you probably shouldn't say it because I know how your numbers go. I'm putting this in the oven. We'll be back.
I'm 57.
Ooh, close. A little bit younger, though.
56?
2.
52?
Yeah, I just turned 52 this year.
Papa's going to be 4.
Papa
Happy
is
birthday.
turning 50. Don't tell anybody on YouTube, though.
He is?
Yeah. So the first set of handprints should be done. My glasses just fogged up. We're going to let them cool, and if there are any air pockets like that, you poke them with a pin. But since I don't have a pin, we're just going to use a safe toothpick. And the air will escape. There we go. As it cools, the air will escape. When they're done, we're going to do the other 4 because they each have 2 handprints, one for their mom and one for their dad. And these ones are mine. So the other 4 are done. I'm shutting the oven off and pulling them out to cool. So it looks like just one little air hole there. All right, so all 2, 4, 6 handprints are done. The 4 are cooling off, but we're gonna end this video. And so don't forget to
Subscribe, like, and share.
That's right. We would love to have you in the family. The boys are going to paint these, and I will insert a photo of that. Or maybe that will be our thumbnail. You guys, I hope you have the best day ever.
Or a YouTube short.
That too. A YouTube short as well. Do you have anything else to say? I don't think so. All right.
Grandma GAINZ is awesome.
Papa.
Like, comment, subscribe, share. We'll see you in the next video.